Welcome back to DIY with Eddie. This is the second episode and the final episode of repairing my chairs. There will be an update, but further down the line, not so fast. Sorry for a late upload because I got caught up with some personal stuff during the week. So enjoy. Thank you. So, this was a surprising video, pretty short, because not much damage to this one. Had to just tighten it a bit. I decided not to do some filling right now. I'll do the third chair and do the filling in the end. I might get epoxy there. I might get it, yeah. And I think this will turn out pretty good. Because see, all the wobble is gone. There's no more wobble. What I did is, first off, the gap over here, I had to close it up, so I screwed it here because I don't know why a nail was not going. It split, but that's fine. It's not a big deal. It's not a primary chair for me. Secondary, I nailed it here. Okay, so all the gaps came together. Then I nailed these so the joint does not go apart. Same for here. If you can see, there's a nail driven here so that the joint does not go apart. I might do one more nail right here so that this being joined here and this will be joined here perfectly. I did a nail here and on the other side here. I'll do some filling here later on. That's it. So this concludes chair number 2, episode 2. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Don't forget to click the bell icon for my next video. Thank you. This is the third chair. It's not damaged, not at all, except for the small part over here. I'm thinking not to touch this because all the plaster of Paris filling I did in the previous one started cracking. So I'm thinking to wait a month, get some epoxy and fill it with epoxy and it'll be sturdier. Because this chair is sturdy. This is perfect chair, so just a small damage over here, I think due to transportation or something. But everything is fine. Thank you.